Do you often see these trimming videos online? Like this. 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 The hedge trimmer blade is extremely sharp and cuts through everything in its path without resistance. Its working principle is to cut objects through the reciprocating motion of two saw blades. How did it become so sharp? Now I'll show you the machining process of its cutting edge. The raw material is machined by a laser cutting machine. Positioning is performed via the fixture. The grinding wheel is deflected by 50 degrees to form the cutting edge. A large volume of cutting fluid is required for cooling and heat dissipation. The rotational speed is as high as 12,000 revolutions per minute. The equipment is controlled by a CNC system with a machining accuracy of up to 10 micrometers. Reverse the direction and grind the other end. Whether you are a distributor or a customer, we can customize an exclusive solution according to your requirements. We will contact the freight forwarder to deliver the goods directly to your factory warehouse. You may contact us via WhatsApp at We will append the machining accuracy of the machine tool at the end.